It's hot.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna see if the Texas sun can heat up a frying pan hot enough to cook an egg. But before getting started, please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, subscribe if you haven't already. Click all notifications to be notified whenever I post new videos. So to give you a bit more context, I live in Houston, Texas. The average here is about 99 degrees to 100. And just so you guys can see how hot it gets, this is the temperature of carpet inside a home, and this is the temperature of the concrete outside. So we're gonna see if it gets hot enough on some average day to cook an egg on a frying pan. I just got the frying pan from Walmart, something special, something, you know, out of the ordinary. And yeah, I'll probably leave it outside for about an hour or two. I'll just kind of wing it. And yeah, let's see if it can cook it.
2 hours later.
It's so hot out here. Got an egg. All right, so I came back inside my house because it was just way too hot outside. But as you guys can see, it just wasn't hot enough to cook the egg. I was looking at YouTube videos and some other like articles and websites and whatnot, and basically all of them say the same thing, that the temperature has to be around 155 to 165 or above. So we weren't that far off. We were about 10 to 20 degrees off, but I guess that's a good thing for me, because I know in some of the hotter states like Arizona or New Mexico, this is pretty easy to do on a typical day. But here in Houston, I guess it would just have to be one of the hottest days of the year for us to be able to cook this egg. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video concept. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to see me do some other type of experiment, leave a comment down below. I try to reply to every single comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And honestly, what am I gonna do with a bunch of eggs? Like, I don't really eat eggs like that. So, does anybody want some eggs?